Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will brought for you this Photonics JuiceMate Universal Travel Adapter. So here is the key features: 20 volt Type C PD output and 18 volt USB output and universal outlet and PC plus ABS material, internationally compatible and adapter. Let's unbox this. So here is the adapter. You can see it is in black color and quality is good. And here you can see the UK adapter, and this is of Europe. This is of Europe, and here is USA, Japan, and Australia, Thailand. So now let's test this adapter. So plug the adapter like this. You can see the red light is coming. So you can charge the phone. You have to plug the adapter of this port here. Plug and like this, and you can see my phone is charging now. And you can charge your MacBook also. I will show you. And here is USB and Type C port. Plug the Type C port here. Plug your MacBook here. And you can see my MacBook is charging here. You can see. So I have tab. I will show you how to charge the tab. So here, just plug adapter point like this. I have plugged, and here I will plug to my tab. And here you can see my tab is charging now. So let's check with other adapter. So here I will remove and let's test Europe adapter. Plug like this. You can see the MacBook is charging with the Europe help. And now let's test the UK adapter. So plug like this. You can see the MacBook and my phone is charging now. You can see my phone is charging with the help of this adapter. So I will be back in next video. So this video, like, share, subscribe. Bye.